Since its foundation in 2000, 3View has been trying to provide the best solution for smart factories. 3View suggested the new smart factory solutions integrated with advanced technologies, including MES, APS, and AI monitoring system based on continuous researches and innovative technology development. 3View is also continuing the R&D for the future of over 500 clients in Korea and other countries. A solution partner for value creation and future. 3View solution is the future. What's Smart Factory? Smart Factory is an intelligent factory applied with the high-tech ICT technologies to combine the digital automation solutions with the whole production processes, from design to development, manufacturing, logistics, and distribution, to enhance the productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction. Nowadays, Smart Factory became an essential option for global competitiveness. In response to such trends, 3View is creating the dynamic optimal smart factories. 3View solution is the innovation. 3View provides the optimal solution based on the organic connection between human, machines, process, and IT system. Machine View is a real-time monitoring system which measures the physical quantity applied to the machines during the formation process to analyze the patterns. In case of any defective goods, Machine View informs the workers and stops the machines to prevent the serial defects. Especially, 3View's original AI algorithm mounted on Machine View analyzes the signal patterns in detail. When it detects a pattern different from other goods, even within the allowable range of forming force, it regards such pattern as defective. This allows higher defect detection rate and higher productivity to save manufacturing cost. Process View is a point-of-production system which manages the production information from each manufacturing machine in real time. It provides all essential information required for the production management. Process View saves manufacturing cost, enhances productivity, and improves quality by managing the information based on fast and accurate data. Especially, Process View can be designed at a lower price by choosing the essential options for less introduction cost. Process View can also work with Machine View to collect and manage the forming force data from the machines. It can be built by extending it to Factory View while maintaining the existing data. ePlan View is a simulation software designed for the optimal production plan and implementation in the manufacturing industry. ePlan View comes up with the production plan modeling by immediately reflecting the manufacturing site's situations, limitations, and various variables to derive the optimal schedules. This enables higher productivity, business automation, and cost saving. ePlan View can be combined with Factory View for higher efficiency. Factory View is a system for collection, analysis, and integrated management of the manufacturing data as the key competence in Industry 4.0 environment. This integrated manufacturing execution system targets on over 100 Korean and foreign companies. Factory View uses the high-tech information and communication technologies to collect and analyze the production data in real time and present the fast results. It also runs the overall manufacturing processes, including production management, quality management, mold management, and automation at the manufacturing sites organically. In addition, FactoryView supports 3View's original hardware essential for Smart Factory to establish MES optimized for the client's environment. FactoryView will continue to utilize the innovative technologies to lead on establishing the smart factories more efficiently. FactoryView will also continue R&D on upcoming key smart factory fields, including APS, RPA, and SCM. The best IT solution partner for enhancing quality value of goods. We consider 3 times from 3 aspects and 3 dimensions. FactoryView provides the best solution for clients. FactoryView promises to try its best as a solution partner, creating the value and preparing future for the clients.